national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities. Broadcast and cable keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes.
Hey, Jimmy, how happy are folks who save hundreds of dollars switching to Geico?
Happier than the National Emergency Alert System.
Get happy. Get Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.